Easy Guide. Onboarding the chargers for your business. Start by signing up and verifying your account via email. Log in using the Continue via Email option. Use the same flow you signed up. Enter your name and surname. Choose the option that best suits you. For multiple chargers and users, select Best for Business. Enter a zone name and your home address to create a zone. Add your charger to the zone. Now enter the charger details. Disable restricted hours to allow 24/7 charging. On the charger list page, you can see the first charger added. Have the option to add another charger by providing the details and disabling restricted hours. From the charger list page, you can add more chargers or return to the zone profile screen if you do not wish to add more chargers. Here, you can view the zone details, including the number of users and chargers. Tap on the charger to access it and create a schedule, Smart Charge, or start a charge session. From the charger page, access the specific charger settings, such as solar preferences. Return to the zone screen to access and control another charger's settings and schedules. Go back to the zone profile screen to add your supplier tariff. Navigate to the profile screen to add your EV and view profile settings. On the zone screen, tap the purple icon in the top left corner to create a new zone or join an existing one if you have a joining code.